Good morning, it's Bryan over at Cross Country Mortgage. Hope you had a great weekend. Hey, I was asked this multiple times last week, and when I started the conversation with all of these clients, what we found out was what they initially thought was most important to them was not. So what I wanted to share with you today are the three most important items for all of our clients that we speak with. These are the three most important things that are on people's minds before they buy a home. And what got me thinking about this was all of the people that we've talked to over the last week and a half that have started their process with some big tech mortgage company or maybe a big national lender, and they were denied. And what is being sold in the marketplace is that technology will be able to replace service and knowledge and the art of doing mortgages and getting people approved for a mortgage, where a lot of the times they're not able to at other institutions or with other loan officers. So I wanted to share this information with you and make sure that you understand that rate is one factor, and that's what's advertised as like low rate, low rate, low rate. But that low rate cannot replace the experience, the expertise, and the knowledge about this process to get you to the finish line. So the number one most important thing to our clients is, like, where do I start? About 50% of the clients that I personally work with are first-time home buyers, and they literally have no idea where they should start, what the process looks like, and how to get to the finish line as smoothly as possible. So with our team and our process that we take you through, if you follow the process, it's going to be as stress-free as possible as we can possibly make it in the purchase process. Second most important thing is, how much should I borrow? Like, what can I be approved for? Does it make sense for me to buy this home at this price point or have this mortgage payment? In our discovery meeting that we have with every client, we're going to review that. And unfortunately, a lot of people never get any advice around this. I met with a client over this weekend who was told that she was going to be closing last Friday, and then she was denied last Friday morning. And the problem with her file should have been discovered back in October when they first started working on her file. So the process that we take our clients through and the way that we educate you and help you understand what needs to happen next will help you understand whether you should be or can be approved and for how much and what fits you financially. The last thing we want to do is help you buy a home that doesn't fit you financially. It does not increase your quality of life. Then the third most important thing is, hey, we're moving up or we're moving down. We're going to sell our house and we're going to buy our next house. Can we do this? And how the heck do we do this? We've never done it before. Can we make this happen simultaneously? So a lot of move up buyers are concerned about being able to sell their house and buy a new home, and most importantly, understand how to coordinate that whole process. We do that on a regular basis. With all the families that we help, it's very, very, very rare that a mortgage does not close. And one of the things that brought this video about, that had me thinking about it this weekend, is that lowest rate is great if you can close the loan. And a lot of times what ends up happening is that low rate is the lure to have somebody come talk to them, and then they don't either have the expertise, or they don't have the process, or they don't have the team to actually get the deal closed. So when you take the time to sit down and understand what actually needs to happen to get a mortgage approved and get you the keys to your new home or to complete the mortgage for a refinance, that's not talked about up front. It's all about low price. And low price does not equal the process that we have, the years of experience that I have in solving problems, my team backing me up, and making sure that we're giving you solid advice that's going to actually help you and not just conduct a transaction and, oh, sorry, we can't do that, and then move on. We want to make sure that you understand we're trying to help you increase the quality of your life and give you the best advice possible based on the current environment with what your financial reality is. We just get the deal done. We're not perfect. We're going to be late sometimes, but I can tell you we will get the deal done. So if you've got questions about the mortgage process, or if you know of anybody that's thinking about buying a home or refinancing a home, and maybe they've had a difficult time, or maybe they're told that they couldn't, we'd love to speak with you or anybody you know that you care about. Give me a call. My direct number is 847-603-4778.